complete person. With its methodology, si Judge Act, ito ang tumulong sa akin para maging isang organized, complete at determinadong servant leader. Masaya, super saya ko bilang isang coordinator sapagkat yung mga gusto kong mangyari na pagtulong sa kapwa, naduduplicate, natitriplicate, yun yung sinasabing multiplication of service. Hindi lamang ako na naisama ko ang iba't ibang mga tao para yung pagpapahayag ng pagtulong ay maisagawa ng mas marami, mas maayos at mas makabuluhan.
SEAT, it gives me a better realization about my perspective in life. To stand on what I really believe. To stand for what is true.
In my student life, SEA generally changed it. Before, it's like, I go to school, I go home, I go to school, I go home. But when I met SEA, I was able to know that I can do something. I can't just go to school and learn. I can do something even if I'm just a student.
SEA gives a great impact in my life as well as to the students. It gives us a deepened spirituality. The students, they learned more about Christ and they have deepened their faith. And they realized that it is more important to know Christ.